In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a card from Meta Business Suite. If you've ever updated your business credit card or simply want to stop using a particular payment method with your Meta ads, knowing how to remove a card is essential. I'll guide you through each click so you can follow along on your own screen. First, open your browser and go to Meta Business Suite. The easiest way is to type Meta Business Suite into your search engine, then log in with your Facebook business account. Make sure you're in the correct business if you manage more than one. You can usually switch businesses from the drop-down at the top of the page. Once Meta Business Suite has loaded, look at the menu on the left-hand side of your screen. You're looking for the option labeled Billing and Payments. This is where Meta stores all your financial settings, including invoices, transaction history, and payment methods. Go ahead and click on Billing and Payments. After the billing section opens, you'll see another list of options on the left. Here, find and click on Payment Methods. This page is dedicated specifically to the cards and other payment options that are linked to your business for ad payments. Give it a moment to load, and then you should see a list of all the payment methods connected to this ad account. Now, locate the specific card you want to remove. To the right of that card, you'll see a small icon with 3 dots, often called the More Options button. Move your cursor over that card and click on those 3 dots. This opens a small menu with actions you can take on that payment method. In the menu that appears, click on Remove. Depending on your account status, Meta might ask you to confirm this action. You may see a pop-up asking if you're sure you want to remove the card. Read the message carefully, especially if that card is currently your primary payment method or if you have active campaigns. If everything looks good, confirm that you want to remove it. Once you confirm, Meta will process the change and the card will disappear from your list of payment methods. If it doesn't disappear right away, try refreshing the page. Also, remember that Meta usually requires at least one valid payment method if you're running active ads, so consider adding a new card or another payment option if needed. And that's it.